The role of hair accessories like scarves, colorful scarves like this, berets, a hat, combs, hairpins, Alice bands cannot be oversaid. They can transform a simple hairstyle from level 10 to level 100. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my simple signature hairstyle, and I'll be accessorizing it for the purpose of those who might want to rock it for their special day. And just before you run out like, oh, your hair is not as long as mine, don't sweat it. I'll be sharing a hack for those who don't have long hair. Maybe your length is not as long as mine. So for the hack, you need a wig cap like this, a net wig cap, and some kinky extension. Any kinky extension will do. So basically, we are just going to tuck this into the wig cap, depending on how big you want your bun to be. Okay, my hair is long enough, but like I said, I'll be using the hack method for the purpose of those whose hair is not as long. So that's the net. It's very roomy and elastic. So I have extensions here. I want mine about the same size of my hair if I were to put it into a bun. You can make yours smaller or bigger. So I have this much, and I'm going to tuck it into the net. Okay, so I have this, and I'm going to pull my hair into a puff with this. But before then, a leave-in conditioner. Follow it up with a little gel, just a little.
African woman, the way you carry yourself sweet, my body, oh, eh. Just trust woman, make I follow you go see your mama, eh. I like your swagger, make me and you stay together, eh. Special lady, now you be the person way get my heart to, eh. For you, my baby, for you, my sissy, oh. For you, my baby, you the person way get my heart to, eh. Sweet, my baby. Get my heart to, baby girl, get down on it. Baby girl, shake your body. Me, I go spray the money. If I, baby girl, get down on it. Baby girl, shake your body. Me, I go spray the money. Cause now you be the person who get my heart to,
Yes, this is it on a good day, but for the special occasion, this. So I'm just going to attach this on the hair, like so. Yes, you can rock a look that will give an illusion of a crown or tiara by adding more pins here, and so I'll do that. It's important that the wig cap you have underneath is the one with net so that the pins can penetrate, right? And that's it. Here comes the bride.
You are my lady, and the person will get my
So that's it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you learned a thing or two for those times you have an occasion and you can't get to the salon. You can